You're involved in a crash. You're involved in a crash.
No, I don't.
Can't just shut the door.
I work in the jail. I know my rights. I said no. Back up. I said no. I'm not stupid. Hello?
That's it. You can't.
No, I'm not.
I think she works here. She works here. She's a nurse.
On May 21st, 2023, Port St. Lucie police responded to a two-car crash in St. Lucie County, Florida. Before officers even reached the maroon Taurus, the other driver is already giving them the first version of what happened.
What's going on, guys?
She brake checked me, trying to make it look like it's my fault when this girl literally almost caused me a car crash all the way on the intersection. I'm driving behind her. Literally, she kept going in front of me. I'm like trying to get away from her. She brake checked me. I'm already over here trying to get over to the side so she doesn't hit me.
I know I already called dispatch. I know you guys are already on the phone with 911.
Yeah,
for
the accident.
And they heard the accident over
Yeah.
there. So I understand.
Yeah, I even have this guy that pulled over to talk to us. She's like, yeah, you can even tell the cops to call us. I have his number.
Yeah,
like,
I'll need that.
car is like my door won't even open.
Are you the driver?
Yeah.
Can you give me your license, registration, and insurance?
The next problem is not the crash itself. It is getting the driver in the Taurus to answer basic questions.
Can I have your license? Ma'am, I need your light. Can you step out of the vehicle? Hey, she's not providing information, not stepping out of the vehicle, Sarge.
What's that?
She's not getting out.
Run the tag.
She has not explained the crash. She has not disputed anything. She has not even said a word to officers. She has simply refused to move. That is about to change.
The officer with the bald head, what's his name?
Sergeant Lodworth.
Rod, he's over here. So can you please come over here, please? Thank you. No.
You're involved in a crash. You're involved in a crash.
No, I don't.
You can't just shut the door, okay?
No,
You can talk to whoever you want.
I don't want you to open my door.
You can't shut the door.
No, I said no.
You can't shut the door.
No,
We need
I said
we need
no.
your license.
I said no.
We need your
I
license.
said no. I work in the jail. I know my rights. I said no. Back up.
This is the moment the crash call stops being a traffic call.
And get off my property. Back
You're
up.
gonna go to jail if you
Back
put your hands
up and get off my property.
Ma'am.
Back up and get off my property. Back up and get off. I work in the jail.
If you work at the jail, you know what we can do.
Back up and get off my property.
You have to do this.
No, you're not doing shit. You're wasting my AC and my gas. Back up and get back. I know him. Get back.
When she appears to strike or interfere with the camera near the door, officers stop waiting.
Get back. Otherwise, I would have opened the fucking window. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. Hello?
That's it. You can't
No,
be hitting the
I'm
camera.
not.
You can't be hitting the camera.
I
Step
didn't
out of the
hit
car.
anything.
Yeah, you did.
No, I
I warned
didn't.
you not to do that.
I didn't hit
Get out of the car.
Stop.
No,
Get out of the car.
Stop.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
Stop.
You need to step
Stop.
out.
Ludwig. Ludwig.
You need to step out.
Ludwig.
Step out or you're gonna go to the ground.
Ludwig.
Step out or you're gonna go to the ground. Step out or you're gonna go to the ground.
Ludwig.
Step out or you're gonna go to the ground. Out of the car.
You're hurting me.
Make sure step out and
Step
out of the vehicle.
Ludwig.
Step out. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Step out.
Ludwig.
Step out.
Ludwig, I didn't do nothing.
You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Step out.
Stop.
All right, you're gonna get tased.
That's what you get, crazy bitch. Shut the fuck up, Kaylee.
Step out. Step out. You can step out now. All right, there you go. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Crazy ass bitch.
Give me your hand.
Get me up. Get me
Don't move. It's gonna get tighter. Okay.
Get me up in time.
Get up here.
Roll over on your side. Roll over on your side. There you go. Sit up.
Ludwig.
Now stand up. Stand up.
Put it secure in our car for now.
Walk back there. Walk back there. This way.
The crash call is now a force arrest. Getting her out of the Taurus was only the first hard part. Getting her into the patrol car turns into a second fight.
Okay, stop. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Stop.
Get in. You're gonna get tased again.
Sit down. You're gonna get tased again. You're gonna get tased again.
Get in the car.
I got her. Sit down in the car. We'll talk, but sit down. You need to sit down in the car. You're going to get tased. Sit down in the car and we'll talk. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. You need to put your feet in. You're doing this all yourself. Okay?
Her name's
I need you to put your feet in right now.
Ludwig, come on, Ludwig.
No,
I didn't do anything,
you're
Ludwig.
going to get tased again.
These girls,
Put your feet in and we will talk. Put your feet in and we will talk.
Okay.
Put your feet in and we will talk.
Who's your
'Cause now
sergeant?
I am the sergeant. I'm trying to talk to you.
But you know me.
I need you to put your feet in.
Ludwig.
She keeps arguing. She says the other driver was racing her. She says she has to get home to her kids.
I know you. You know me and I know you. I didn't do anything wrong. These girls came up on me and they were racing me and they
We'll work
smashed
through it,
into
but I
me.
need you to put your feet in the car. We'll work through it, but put your
I
feet in
gotta
the
go
car.
home to my kids.
We'll work through it, but put your feet in the car. All right?
No, because come here.
Put that window down.
Can I tell you something?
No, you need to put your feet in the car.
I have my period and I don't have a tampon.
I don't care. Put your feet in the
but
car.
I'm just
We're not
telling
worried.
you.
All right, we're not worried about that, right?
Because when I got
All right,
tased.
you're gonna get tased again if you don't put your feet in the car.
No.
Well, then put your feet in.
Come on,
Not doing this.
Ludwig.
You're gonna get tased again. Put your
Ludwig.
feet in the car.
I didn't do anything wrong, Ludwig.
All right.
I didn't do anything wrong, bro.
All right. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. We'll talk. Put your feet.
I can't do it.
Then she says it again. You can't take me to jail. I work there.
You gotta call the lieutenant.
You can't take me to jail. I f***ing work there, you motherfuckers. You gotta be f***ing kidding me.
Tara, do you need an ambulance? Do you need an ambulance, Tara?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what's your complaint? Why do you want to see an ambulance?
I don't know, you're offering something.
Well, I am offering, so...
Yes.
Okay, what do you need? I have to tell them what you need it for.
I can't breathe. And I don't like to be restrained.
Gotta get rescued Bayshore and Duval.
In the span of a few minutes on the side of that road, the case against her is already building. No insurance in the vehicle.
Go in her passenger glove box and try to find me her insurance information for her.
I don't have any, so don't bother.
You don't have insurance?
Yeah, go look.
I don't have it. I'm telling you. Officer Ludwig! Sergeant! Sarge!
Morning. Looking for insurance.
Stop! Don't put the window up on me. That's not even funny, bro. I work at the fucking jail, bro. That's fucking funny. You're on camera. That's
I'm not
fucking-
laughing, but you're
Yeah,
screaming
you
and yelling.
Smile on your face, and I know him personally.
Okay.
So that's gonna look bad on you. You got a smile like fucking Jasper on your face.
I'm not smiling.
Well, then you got a serious, ugly face.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Nothing in the glove box.
Nothing, there's no insurance?
Literally, I have pictures of her going in and out of the lanes. Like, actually, I don't know what she was doing. I tried to get away. I really
I'm
did.
sure the officer will have you give that information to him or email those photos to him so that he can put them in the evidence.
I can get a Axon link ready for them now.
Yeah, if you could do that.
What's your? Were you the one driving?
Yes.
What's your first name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Okay. Were you guys in a rush to go anywhere? Because we're gonna have someone bring a statement for you guys. Because we had to use force, so we have to do some paperwork now. Basically, what you guys saw from start to finish. All right. So this one's gonna be hers. That's yours. Just write basically whatever you guys think pertains to whatever happened, like from the start to finish.
If you would.
23.
How long does it take for, like, a police officer?
To, like, to go through school? It's like 6 months for the academy, and then whenever you get hired. Yeah. Well, it's fun.
All right, guys, here's your information back.
They're gonna be sticking around until they finish the statements anyway.
Okay.
Familiar.
I get that a lot. She was found at fault for the accident, and speaking with the third-party independent witness, as well as talking to 911 dispatch about what happened, I found her at fault for basically brake checking you guys and causing the accident.
We even have pictures even before she did this. Like, she was literally going in between lanes. Like,
A third-party witness uploading photos and footage of the Taurus moving in and out of lanes before the crash, the 911 call, and a sergeant who, after speaking with the witness and checking with dispatch, says he found her at fault.
so dumb.
Or I'm arrested. Which one is it?
Under arrest.
Huh?
Under arrest.
For what? What the f am I under arrest for?
You're under arrest for resisting without violence, resisting with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer
That
times
doesn't even
2,
make any f***ing sense, first of all. And what else?
battery on law enforcement.
Battery?
Yeah,
I didn't hit anybody.
it's on camera.
I didn't hit anybody. I'm not stupid. Hello?
Okay, you can fight it in court.
Do you need anything from these guys?
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
No, I'm talking to you.
Do you need anything from them?
I'm talking to you.
Alright, you guys are good to go.
Ludwig!
Hey, you keep kicking, you're gonna get leg restraints, okay?
Give me a hug.
All right, step out.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I can walk.
Okay, then walk.
I can walk. Let go. You're hurting me. You're hurting. You're fucking hurting.
Medical clearance does not calm the situation. She comes back and the same pattern starts over.
Alright, Tara, I'm asking you politely to get in my patrol car.
Only gonna
Please
make it
get in.
worse. Come on.
Tara, I'm not telling you.
I don't want him.
I'm
I
giving you a
feel.
lawful order to get in my
I feel threatened by him. I don't want him. I don't want him at all.
Go sit down.
I will. I don't want him in this car.
Officers remind her the camera has been running the whole time. She pushes back on the seatbelt.
Sarah, you gotta get some more charges. You want that? Is that what you want, really?
I don't feel
You
comfortable.
want that? Nothing's gonna happen. The camera's running the whole time.
This is not funny. He's fucking laughing.
Nobody's laughing.
I gotta itch my face.
You gotta what? Where do you want to itch?
No, I need a tissue. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to be in this car.
Too bad. It's not an option.
Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. I will. You're pushing me.
Tara, sit down.
I will. Tell him to get his hand off me,
Put your
please.
hand up. Sit down.
I will sit. Thank you. This is fucked. You know it. This is fucked.
Let me see if I
No, I don't want to. No, I don't want it. I don't. I feel
Alright,
claustrophobic.
so when he gets in a car crash and you die and your kids don't have anyone,
Yeah.
is that what you want?
Yeah, I don't want it. Thank you. No, I want to refuse.
Seatbelt in your car?
I don't want it.
There you go. You're good to go.
Before they arrive, an officer radios ahead.
6 feet of rock road. St. Lucie County Jail. Not Can you let the rock know that I got a super combative subject that's kicking and screaming? And I'm gonna need assistance when we get there.
Get me the fuck out now.
Any gloves?
I'm not taking her out. As of right now, we got 3 counts of Matt Leo resisting now. I think she works here.
Works here.
She's a nurse.
Inside, officers request a urine sample. She refuses.
If you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended. Refusal to submit to the test that I have requested.
I don't understand.
Into evidence.
Yeah, I need you to back up 7 chapters. I don't understand. So you want me to take a urine test, and if I don't take a urine test, I can have a misdemeanor or a felony?
Yes, ma'am, that is exactly
For
what
For what?
Okay.
So
we believe that you have taken something, or that something may be in your system. We are requesting that you take a urine test so that we can determine if something is in your system.
No. Yeah, I'm not taking anything.
Okay, that's all I need.
And while that's happening inside, an officer steps away and makes a phone call. That call is a problem for her. A driver who did not have to get involved pulled over, took out her phone, documented what she saw, and handed it to police while the crash was still being cleared.
Hello?
Hi, is this Kaylee?
Yes.
Hey, it's Officer McCauley. I was just calling to see if you had the chance to upload those pictures yet.
Oh yeah, I thought I did.
You might have to hit submit.
Yeah, I don't think I probably didn't do that, but let me resubmit them for you right now. Sorry about that.
No, I appreciate it.
Yeah, they're all uploading now. Sorry about that.
Okay, yeah.
There was 2 videos.
Yeah, that's gonna be a fun video to show your friends, I guess.
Did you get it?
Yep, thank you very much.
Of course. Thank you.
Okay, hopefully you have a better day.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You guys helped a lot.
Of course. All right, have a good one.
Me too. Bye.
Booking records later showed Tara Ann Donnelly was arrested, age 38, by the Port St. Lucie Police Department into St. Lucie County Jail on May 21st, 2023. 8 charges: resisting an officer with violence, 3 counts of battery on an officer, firefighter, or EMT, DUI with damage to property or person, resisting without violence, reckless driving with damage, and refusal to submit to DUI testing following a prior license suspension. A final court outcome was not publicly confirmed. Drop a comment below. What stood out most? The crash claim, the refusals, or that radio call ahead to the jail? And if you want more body cam cases like this one, subscribe to the Bodycam archive.